Well, here we are again. How many times am I going to tell you how to make cornbread? The answer is enough times for you to actually do it correctly. Just using up all the extra stuff I have here. I had one of these cans of ranch beans, so I can put that on the side too. Apparently some of you don't know what ranch beans are. Well, they are free range grown, and they grow up to lasso cows and do ranch stuff. They're like spicy pinto beans, I guess. I don't know. They're seasoned. They're good. Anyway, this recipe is kind of different because it wants you to pre-bake the pan in the oven, so that's what I'm doing right now. And the rest of it is just usual cornbread stuff. This is another simple recipe that involves me just putting the water and cornbread together without anything else. So I'm going to put the water first, actually. That way, none of the powder sticks to the bottom, because that's usually what happens when you put the powder in first. And now you just mix everything together, just like usual. Therefore, there are no steps involved for you to burn your house down. So literally anybody should be able to do this. But I'm watching you. But of course I got some of these, so I gotta add this in too. Although I don't know how much will work. How much corn is too much corn? The Midwest should know that. There, all done. Now we just need to pour it and bake it for about 15 minutes at 450 degrees. Well, here we go. Then you have to beat the corn into submission. Alrighty, 15 minutes at 450. If you wonder why I do that, it's because I burn off my hair the first time because of the hot oven temperature. See you in 15 minutes. Whoosh! Maybe I should use this first. There you have it. Corn pie. I left this one in for a little bit longer since it's in that glass pan, so it looks nice.